On our recent trip to Japan, we visited Hakodate, a city located in the southern tip of Hokkaido. We came to Hakodate for cherry blossom as well as for delicious seafood. A must stop for any visitor is the Hakodate Morning Market, located just 2 minutes walk south of the Hakodate station. We shall explore the fish market later, but for now it's time to eat. The Donburi Yokocho, or Seafood Restaurant Avenue, has over 20 eateries, serving some of the freshest seafood anywhere in Hokkaido. This area will get crowded during breakfast and lunch time. The restaurants with the longest lines will probably be your best bet, one of which was Ikuratei. This restaurant was tourist-friendly and has English menu, and we were allowed to bring our luggage inside. It specialized in kaizen donburi, or seafood rice bowl. I chose the signature Hakodate don, which has salmon roe, sea urchin, and crab leg. We also added extra sides of shrimp, squid, scallop, sea urchin, and crab legs. It was a seafood bonanza. I absolutely love ikura or salmon egg. Together with sea urchin, it was a match made in heaven. The Hokkaido scallop sashimi was buttery and light, not gamey at all. My travel partner and I both love salmon roe, and we ordered an extra side of this delicious yumminess. It was the perfect way to finish our meal. Most restaurants in the morning market will close after lunchtime. Only a few remains open for dinner, such as this one. Although the food in here was good, I didn't like the fact that the crab meat was shredded instead of served chunky or whole like in Ikuratei. The Hakodate Morning Market itself opens at 5 a.m. with vendors selling a wide variety of seafood as well as fresh produce. With a happy tummy, it's time to explore Hakodate. The historical downtown is ideal for a walking tour. The Motomachi area is renowned for its many European-style architectures from the previous centuries. During our walking tour of the city, we encountered many delicious temptations, such as the Lucky Parrot, a famous local chain that specializes in Chinese chicken burger, but we simply didn't have enough gastric space. It's time to check into our hotel. Located to the east and about 10 minutes taxi ride from Hakodate Station is Yunokawa, an area renowned for its many oceanfront onsen hotels. We chose this hotel for the oceanfront onsen bath and a seafood buffet. The food was delicious, with an ocean view to boot. The breakfast buffet was also very good. Besides the traditional breakfast items, it also had a wide variety of seafood to choose from. After our previous memorable meal at Hakodate Morning Market, we had to go back for more. This time, we also explored the side streets and alleys and ate at Donboriya, a casual diner where there were more locals than tourists. The grilled salmon belly was smoky and fatty. Did I mention I really love ikura? I was determined to get my fill on this Hokkaido trip. The Hokkaido cantaloupe was sweet and so juicy. To walk off the salmon belly, we explored Goryokaku Park and its 1,500 cherry trees. We just missed the peak of cherry blossom season by a few days, but there were still enough remain to give us a glimpse of sakura. It was cherry blossom season. Naturally, we had to sample sakura ice cream. The flavor was surprisingly subtle. Needed something more filling. We stopped by Ramen Tutuiken, a tiny shop located about 5 minutes walk from Hakodate Station. It was a one-man operation. The service would be slow. However, the wait was absolutely worth it. Besides the yummy broth and a perfectly soft boiled egg, the ramen also contained Chinese-style mini wonton, which was unique. Hakodate has been a fantastic food experience. Next stop, Sapporo. Thank you for watching. Please check out my other travel and food videos, including more from Japan.